Texas builds big, and our Midlothian plant makes the state's big ambitions possible, starting with the home of the Dallas Cowboys. For this Texas-sized stadium, we supplied 15,000 cubic yards of concrete for foundation walls, supporting the largest dome structure in the U.S. There's also this work of art. Drawing 1 million visitors a year, the Perot Museum's facade features 700 precast concrete panels made with Midlothian cement. The iconic Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge traverses the Trinity River with its 400-foot arch. Amrize cement is inside this symbol of momentum. But we're not stopping there. Amrize is building the Texas of tomorrow at Melissa High School, Passport Park West Technology and Industrial Campus, Northwest ISD High School, as well as I-635 East, one of Dallas County's busiest corridors. As your local partner, we have deep expertise to bring your vision to life. No matter how big, Amrize, build your ambition.